Looking for an affordable yet professional-grade OBD2 scanner that makes car diagnostics quick and easy? Today we're reviewing the premium AD200 Professional OBD2 scanner, a compact tool that claims to deliver big performance without a big price tag. Let's find out if it really lives up to the hype. Compared to entry-level diagnostic tools, the AD200 not only has all of their functions, but it is also more professional and powerful. This vehicle code reader supports read and clear code, IM readiness, EVAP, O2 sensor test, freeze frame, real-time data stream curve, and more. With those functions, you can quickly check the cause of the engine check light, MIL, and reset it, but also can accurately read the DTC code and clear it, let your car back to health. This OBD scanner has been greatly enhanced in terms of data reading. Can read up to 50 data, battery voltage, coolant temp, engine RPM, load value, airflow rate, oil temp, fuel rail pressure, transmission gear status. It can provide you with an extremely detailed data stream so that you can diagnose vehicle faults more accurately. This car diagnostic scanner is widely fit for various models, such as 1996 to 2024 North America cars, 2000 to 2024 Europe cars, 2008 to 2024 Asia cars, such as Japan or Korea brands, but also includes 12V truck, SUV, MPV, sedan, etc. Even if you have multiple cars of different brands or year, it can easily adapt. The fixed car diagnostic tool has a 3.3-foot long cable that allows you to operate it in a narrow environment. The engine code reader has an advanced ARM CPU that is 3x as fast as the entry-level scanner. The body shell is made of strong plastic, which will not be damaged if accidentally dropped to the ground, while ensuring the normal operation of the diagnostic tool. Okay, now let's talk about pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly interface, instant power-up, accurate and fast scanning, affordable price, sturdy build. And cons: no wireless connectivity, limited advanced functions, no ABS, SRS, or transmission diagnostics, basic display. The premium AD200 is a solid choice if you want a no-fuss scanner for quick check engine light diagnostics and real-time engine data. It's not meant for deep-level troubleshooting of ABS or airbag systems, but for everyday car owners, it hits the sweet spot of price, performance, and reliability. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest tool reviews. Got questions about the AD200? Drop them in the comments below. I'll get back to you.